on, everybody? It's your girl Jordan, and I'm back again with another video. And this video is a U-part wig tutorial. And this U-part wig tutorial, I'm going to show you fast, and hopefully it's not too difficult because I'm terrible at explaining things. But yeah, it's on popping. So I have 23 inches worth of head. I'm going to use one wig cap, but this is the wig cap I'm using. The other one is just optional. You can use a dome cap. Some people use a dome cap. Some people use a wig cap. The reason why I that side parting, we're going to tweak it into a middle part because that's what we do over here. We tweak. I am using Mongolian Kinky curly hair that I got from Amazon. Using 14 inches of bundles, 2 bundles that I only use for this wig. I can link the hair down below or in the comments.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded.
Almost there, y'all. We are almost there. Next, I am going to be sewing the bundles up as a curve as well in the front because I wanted to have a little bit of a frame. The finished product of the sewing part. So now I'm going to brush out the ends because my cousin wanted a little bit a fluffier effect. She wanted to have a little bit long. She thought it was going to be a little bit like longer than like 16-18. I'm like, girl, you gotta get you a 16-18. The stretching cream, that stretch, girl. It's stretch. It's stretch. So using this BTL mousse, it helps. This mousse is great for braid outs, twist outs, any natural hair. This is the finished product. I'm going to show you guys, this is why I didn't want the hair all up on the back of the neck. As you can see, that gives a lot of breathing space on the neck. You don't have to like freaking scratch 24/7. I even tried it on for you guys. I forgot. Look, look, look. Don't I look adorable? It came out really cute. I was like, I need to get one, and my hair is literally that length and that texture, so I don't know what I was telling myself, but I hope you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.